It's been 2 years since my last YouTube video on this channel, and while I have never really quit making videos on my other accounts, I always get the feeling that something is missing. For years, I have enjoyed making content and sharing pieces of my life, but I usually feel out of place or like something is still missing.
We're gonna move this little guy somewhere else. I am using the Faithful plant tone, garden tone, whatever I have on hand.
And while I think a lot of that is my severe imposter syndrome, I think the main reason is that I'm sharing the wrong things. I have not quit gardening these past 2 years, but I think as I grow and evolve, I realize I wanted to share more of what helps me stay grounded. I think we get caught up in the busy day-to-day life, and while I am no way a minimalist, I think we tend to forget how simple life can be if we take the time to listen.
So some zinnias did reseed themselves here, but the chickens also helped themselves into some beautiful little mounds along with some weeds, and they did help themselves to some of my onions, so that's nice.
In these 2 years that I've been gone, I moved from South Carolina to Hawaii and had my second baby 9 years after my first. It's only been 5 months, but I've noticed a change in how I view things more than I thought I already had. So even though we will be moving back to Texas at the end of this year, I feel grounded and ready to continue sharing my garden journey.
For this trellis, I am doing these that I just picked up at the garden center today, cucumber minis. We'll see how they do.
I hope you stay because although I don't know where this road will end, one thing is for sure, the garden will always be there.
Hopefully I can finally get these right. It's a new day and I realized I probably should have shown you the seeds I'm going to be planting, so let me show you that real quick. I've got some basil seeds that I've collected, more bunching onions, poinsettia cucumber. I have these bush beans. I actually saved seed pods from this past season that I'm going to be throwing in there, and then I'm going to be planting some of the flowers.